Holy sh!
There goes your toe strap. Yeah.
It's tight.
Tight. You're tight. Snap it again. It will. That way.
Come on, do it again.
What?
Do what you just did.
That kind of hurt.
You know, this I wouldn't do with my truck.
No, me neither.
Should I tie it back slow?
This truck
Slow.
only has one speed.
Fucking
Tight?
go or stop.
Slow. There you go. Tight.
Yeah, it's coming. There you go.
Woo!
Now pull it over to the campsite.
Yeah, pull it over there.
Oh, well, there's a tree right there, if you didn't know that.
You guys order firewood? Firewood?
Drag it on in.
No. I'm scared.
Just drag it close. It'll light.
We're not gonna burn the whole thing. We'll leave it right here.
Why?
Drag it, like, at least over here.
Hey, bring the light. I can't believe it towed down a fucking tree. The old lady's mad at me.
I think she's mad at you because you reversed into it.
At least pull it over there. No? Oh, yeah, you were going to let the Ford do that, huh?
Here, I'll do it. Yeah.
That's right. The Dodge isn't even here.
We got a bow tie, a Dodge, and a Ford. And Dodge didn't make
We
it.
can just break off branches from here. I don't want to tow it. That's a full fucking tree. It's so heavy that my truck wouldn't turn. At all.
Good job. A+ for you.